occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends you only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid hourly. We can couple, I can drive.
Put you. You take Riley.
I don't have him.
They're fucking wet.
Come on.
Ready with you? Ready to walk? 또 다른 레스트 에리아에 자꾸 여기 날씨가 너무 좋아요. 아까는 비가 너무 와서 애들이 좀 더 젖었거든요. 그래서 여기는 드라이하니까 여기서 강아지도 걷고 숨 좀 돌리고 갈게요. 여기 멋있다. 휴게소 같은 느낌인데 음식이 없는 휴게소? 화장실은 있어요.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you.
It's too dark. No, it's too dark, but we spent night at some Arizona rest area, like dry camp again.
How much was it?
0.
Free.
I think we slept good. We slept like 8 hours. I think now it's 6:45. It's gonna take 4 hours to get California, LA. I'm freezing. Anyway, our check-in time in RV park is 12 p.m. So it'll be like somewhere around the time. We gotta take a break. You know, like a couple hours later, walk the dogs, take a long break this time because we want to get in the RV park after 12. We don't want to driving around, wait somewhere. So that's it. Finally, that's our kind of like a first like travel destination. Other places was just you know, like a station. You just stop there. Anyway, I'm tired. Our phones are dead, so I'm gonna charge a little bit and then set the GPS and we're gonna leave.
Lying it all alone, thinking that I'm with you, thinking I would too, but you're gone. I'm lying it all alone, thinking that I'm with you, thinking I would too, but you're gone. Lying here all alone, thinking that I'm with you, thinking I would too, but you're gone. Copious sunsets make me forget 5 years no fit. I see you in a Cadillac. I don't think this can become the best.
So we arrived. Hold on, let me see my face. So we arrived LA yesterday around noon, and we checked in. We hang out with his friends. He just sleep 5 minutes away, the other RV park, which is cool. So we hang out with, them, and then just chilling.
Yeah. So we're in Anaheim, and we're literally 5 minutes from Disney World or Land.
Land.
Yeah. This whole when we come off the street, off this RV park, it's called Disney Way, and it's all Disney stuff down this road. Pretty cool.
Probably used to be very, very busy road, but not anymore.
But none more. It's closed.
Yeah, but today we probably just grocery shop, like more chilling, cause we want to hang out with his friend couple. The person out there. And since COVID, we can't really go somewhere and eat inside or do something. So we just probably gonna walk downtown, go to the beach. Alright, so we finally opened all the windows. See, palm trees. There's so many RVs here. We open here windows. It's very bright. So, but we're still home. The outside is different, but inside is same.
Yeah.
$1,100 a month of what?
It's not bad. Just work.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. In LA, yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Korean make way better, I'm telling you. Fuck Hawaii. LA. LA K-Town is the best. Nice. I'm thinking you.
Where are all the people?
This fancy house. I don't know if they like living here because when it was all about like traveling people, they just keep walking around your house. Oh my god, so sad to see goddamn fancy houses because I'm never gonna live there. Too much space. I'm just gonna say that. Oh my gosh. What?
So it looks like we're gonna have to go drive over there.
No, you can walk to there. See the bridge right there? We'll walk.
Good.
Let me just stop for the video. I think it's not RV park, just to...
No, I mean RV parking.
I think you can just park anywhere? I don't know. That's fucking cool. No. It's better. It's cool. Life is good, you know what I mean? Oh, nice, sweetie, nice.
Shot it twice, once in his chest, once in his head. It didn't matter. Burn once at inhuman speed and strength, and if they cut you, the infection that follows is swift and severe. I watched
you